Hello, people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And my name is Deep Roy Chaudhary. I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that rich people rich parents who think that paying exorbitant amounts of money, or basically bribing certain officials in certain educational institutions so that your child can go to a Ivy League university, to an esteemed college or university, that is not going to help your child in the long run. That you know, even if you bribe certain officials to get your children admission to these Ivy League colleges and universities, are your children going to be children going to be capable of completing that education, of completing their graduation or their master's degree in that esteemed educational institution? For example, let's take an example. If a rich parent bribes certain officials in Harvard University so that he or she can get his or her children to children admission to a course in Harvard University, do you really think that your son or your daughter will be capable of keeping up with the curriculum of basically completing his or her course in Harvard University of all places? Do you really think that your child is going to be capable of keeping up with other students who have basically got admission into Harvard on sheer merit? Not everyone is going to bribe their way into Harvard University. Not every student is going to bribe their way into any Ivy League university. So a student who has basically got his seat in a university because his parents bribed certain officials in the university, compare that to a student who has basically come to the university, who has basically got admission to the university or to the college because of his or her sheer determination, sheer hard work, sheer talent. That student who is working hard, that student is going to make it much better in life. That student is going to perform much better in his or her studies, much better in life in general, compared to the rich kid who would not be able to keep up with the curriculum, who would not be able to, who I'm pretty sure that would not be able to complete the course and get good grades compared to these hardworking students that have got their way, that have found their way into these esteemed institutions because of sheer merit. What are you doing to your children? I'm talking to you, rich parents. I mean, you are just ruining your own life, own children's lives. And just think about another thing for a second. Millions of children all over the world. I don't care which country you might live in. Millions of children all over the world are basically competing for a handful of seats in these Ivy League colleges and universities in all countries around the world. Not just Harvard University in the US, not just Oxford University in England. I'm pretty in every country, in every continent except Antarctica, of course. So, but in every country, whatever that Ivy League college or university might be there in that country, people, a handful of students are competing for those, or basically millions of students are competing for a handful number of seats in those colleges, in those universities. And those hardworking students who are not going to bribe their way into a university, who are not going to bribe their way into Oxford, if they are not able to get a chance to get an education in these universities, in these esteemed institutions, because some rich kid has found his way or found her way into this esteemed institution because his or her parents paid bribes to certain officials. Just imagine that you are not only ruining your own children's lives, but also ruining the lives of those children who worked hard, who studied day and night for the sake of getting that dream chance of studying at Harvard or studying at any Ivy League university of your choice in any country that is there out there. You are basically uh, doing an injustice to your own children, because your children are going to think that, okay, if my parents can bribe certain officials and get me can bribe certain officials and get me admission to these esteemed universities, what does that mean? Money can just buy everything. There's no need for hard work, there's no need for determination, there's no need for being there's no reason for being an ethical person in life. If you just have the money, you can do anything in life. You don't need to bother with ethics, you don't need to bother with morals, you don't need to bother with those kinds of things. If you have money, you can just do anything in life, because money can apparently solve all problems. That's the lesson that these rich kids are getting. Just think about how you are ruining their lives, and you are also doing an injustice to those hardworking students who only dream of getting a chance to study at these esteemed institutions and are not able to get that chance because you paid bribes for the sake of getting your kid to these esteemed institutions. Karma is always going to be there. I am no one to give anyone any lecture on morality. I am no one. I'm just a normal person like everyone else. All I will say is this: karma will catch up to everyone. Eventually, each and every person will have to face the consequences of their actions. I firmly believe this. That's all I will say. So there is no alternative to hard work and determination. In the long run, hard work and determination is all that is going to work. Bribes and shortcuts are not going to work in the long run. That's all I have to say. I might talk about this, or maybe not. This is it from me in this video. I might talk about this more in the next video, or maybe not. Until the next video, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with the friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.